Welcome, today in front of me NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that click here on the sound section. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel, and now just to unmute your device ringtone you should swipe with your finger to the right side this volume panel. And also we have the second way how we can do that. Just first press up or down volume button here on the right side of your device, and after that click here on the three dots, and now just you can see that our device is on the mute mode. Just to unmute your device ringtone you should swipe this white dot to the up with your finger, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.